All right, good morning and welcome to multiplication and division, your next process in solving with order of operations. So, step 3 is multiplication and division, and that means you do multiplication from the left to the right. When you start at the left, you do any multiplication or division that you come across until you get to the end. Do not start at the left and go to the right and just do any multiplication you see and then go back and do the division. You've got to do multiplication and division starting from left and going to the right. So we're going to practice a little bit. Okay, so remember to work alongside me. So you should be writing this on paper. And E1. E1 for example 1. 25 divided by 5. Ooh, that's a division sign. Times 10. And remember, the elevated dot means multiplication. So a lot of students would first say, oh, I know 5 times 10. I'm doing that one first. And then they'd try to do 25 divided by 50, and they'd get 1/2. And that wouldn't be correct. So start over at the left and just start moving to the right. And any multiplication or division you come across, do that. Boop, there's a division. So 25 divided by 5 is 5. And then we'll just rewrite the times 10. You always bring down what's next and just rewrite the expression. And then 5 times 10. And what do we put around our answer? That's right, a box. And a box helps signify that's my answer. So let's do another one. Example 2. 3 times 20 divided by 5. Okay, so again, left to right. Now, if we were going to incorporate all the other steps that we've already learned, let's just go through them just to be sure. So first one is grouping symbols. Are there any grouping symbols or division bars, brackets, parentheses? Nope. Next one was powers. Okay, so let's look for powers. Oh, I don't see any exponents, so we're good there. So then we're looking for step 3, multiplication and division from left to right. So starting here, do we see any multiplication or division? Yes, 3 times 20. So let's do it. 3 times 20. Do you think about money when you do math? Because I do, and I think it helps. If I have 3 $20 bills, I would have $60. And then we like to just rewrite it. And then 60 divided by 5, that's 12. Put your answer in a box. Okay, we'll pick a different color so we're over here and you don't get confused. Example 3. Let's do 100 divided by 5 times 4 divided by 2. Okay, so first I'm going to go over a common pitfall here. A lot of 6th graders will try to do 100 divided by 5 and then 4 divided by 2 and then multiply those quantities together, because in their minds, this is a thing to do, and then this is a thing to do, and then they do that after. But remember the rule, multiply and divide from left to right. So 100 divided by 5, we got to do that. 100 divided by 5 is 20. I remember that fact because there are 20 nickels in a dollar. And then I'm going to rewrite it. It's the rewriting, honestly, really helps out a lot. Okay, now moving left to right, multiply and divide. 20 times, oh, there's one. 20 times 4 is 80. Then rewrite, multiply and divide. 80 divide, there's another one. 80 divided by 2 is 40. Okay, the rewriting helps so much. Okay, this is going to be a long day here. So we're going to come back and do another one here in a moment. So go watch video 2.